What's going on, guys? Texamon over here, back again with another video. Today we're going to be installing this license plate bracket here onto this 2017 Ford Escape. Just a quick rundown. We've got everything you'll need to install it. We've got a drill with a 3/16" bit, some rivets, pop rivet gun, some screws to attach the plate, a screwdriver to put the screws in, some masking tape so we can mark out our holes, a tape measure, Sharpie, and of course the license plate, and Whataburger because it's Texas. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get measured out where the license plate bracket's going to go on the car, get some tape on there, get the holes marked out, and get them ready to drill. Alright guys, now that we got our two holes marked out here and here, we're going to go ahead, take our drill with the 3/16" bit on it, and we're going to drill these two spots out right here and then get ready to put our rivets in. Alright guys, now that we got our two holes drilled, we're going to go ahead and take our bracket, our pop rivets, and our riveter, and we're going to go ahead and get this bracket mounted on the car. Alright guys, now that we got the bracket securely mounted on the car, you can see that it'll flex the whole bumper securely mounted. Obviously the body lines aren't the best, it's more of a generic bracket. They don't make these things fit all that great. Last thing we gotta do is we just gotta put the plate on and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, there you have it. As you can see, the license plate is securely mounted on the front of the vehicle. Hope this helped anybody that was trying to do this with their car. In Texas, I know it's required to run a front plate. Some states it's not. But if anybody needs the information, it's here. So thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe. If you didn't like the video, give it a dislike. Tell me what you didn't like. I'll catch you guys in the next one.